If you've ever stared at a patch of lifeless, compacted earth in your garden and wondered if there's any hope for redemption, you're not alone. Dead soil is one of the most frustrating challenges we face as gardeners, but here's the encouraging truth. No soil is truly beyond saving. Today, I'll share 5 ingenious hacks that will transform your barren ground into a thriving ecosystem that plants will absolutely love. The coffee ground revolution. Your morning brew's second life. Your daily coffee ritual holds the key to one of nature's most effective soil amendments. Used coffee grounds are pure gold for dead soil, containing essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium that plants crave. The magic happens when you mix these grounds directly into your lifeless soil at a ratio of about 1 part coffee grounds to 3 parts existing soil. The transformation begins immediately as coffee grounds work their magic on multiple levels. They improve soil structure by creating air pockets that allow roots to breathe and water to penetrate more effectively. The slightly acidic nature of coffee grounds creates an ideal environment for beneficial microorganisms to flourish, jump-starting the biological activity that's been missing from your dead soil. What makes this hack particularly ingenious is how coffee grounds attract earthworms, nature's ultimate soil engineers. These remarkable creatures will migrate to areas rich in coffee grounds, bringing with them their incredible ability to aerate soil and deposit nutrient-rich castings. Within just a few weeks of incorporating coffee grounds, you'll notice the soil becoming darker, more crumbly, and significantly more alive. The best part about this method is its sustainability and cost-effectiveness. Partner with local coffee shops who are often happy to give away their used grounds rather than send them to landfills. Many gardeners report needing several bags per month, and coffee shops typically generate far more than individual households can use. The cardboard lasagna method: building soil from nothing. This technique might sound unconventional, but it's based on permaculture principles that have revolutionized soil restoration worldwide. The cardboard lasagna method involves layering organic materials directly on top of your dead soil, creating a composting system that works in place while simultaneously suppressing weeds and building new topsoil. Start by laying cardboard directly over your problem area, overlapping pieces by at least 6 inches to prevent weeds from finding gaps. Remove any tape or staples, but leave the cardboard intact as it will break down naturally while providing a barrier against persistent weeds. This base layer is crucial because it creates the foundation for everything that follows. On top of the cardboard, begin alternating layers of brown materials like dried leaves, shredded paper, or straw with green materials such as fresh grass clippings, vegetable scraps, or fresh manure. Each layer should be approximately 4 to 6 inches thick, and you'll want to end with a brown layer to prevent odors and pest attraction. The genius of this method lies in how it mimics natural forest floor processes. As the layers decompose, they create a rich, living soil that's teeming with beneficial microorganisms. The cardboard eventually breaks down completely, allowing plant roots to penetrate into the improved soil beneath. Most gardeners see remarkable results within 6 to 12 months, with soil that's unrecognizable from its original dead state. Mycorrhizal fungi inoculation, nature's internet for plants. One of the most overlooked aspects of soil health is the presence of mycorrhizal fungi, the microscopic networks that form symbiotic relationships with plant roots. Dead soil typically lacks these crucial organisms, but introducing them can create an almost magical transformation in plant health and soil vitality. Mycorrhizal fungi work by extending thread-like structures called hyphae from plant roots, effectively expanding the root system by up to 1,000 times. This expanded network allows plants to access water and nutrients from a much larger area while the fungi receive carbohydrates from the plant in return. This relationship is so fundamental to plant health that most plants in nature cannot thrive without it. You can purchase mycorrhizal inoculant from garden centers or online suppliers, typically available as a powder or granular material. The application is straightforward. Mix the inoculant directly into your dead soil at planting time, or create a slurry with water and apply it to existing plantings. The fungi will quickly establish connections with plant roots and begin their transformative work. The results of mycorrhizal inoculation are often dramatic and surprisingly quick. Plants in inoculated soil show improved drought tolerance, enhanced nutrient uptake, and increased resistance to soil-borne diseases. The fungi also help bind soil particles together, improving soil structure and creating the kind of rich, crumbly texture that every gardener dreams of achieving. The Biochar secret: ancient wisdom for modern gardens. Biochar represents one of the most exciting developments in soil restoration, based on ancient Amazonian soil management techniques that created some of the world's most fertile soils. This specially processed charcoal provides a permanent home for beneficial microorganisms, while dramatically improving soil's ability to retain nutrients and water. Creating biochar at home requires burning organic materials like wood chips, corn cobs, or rice hulls in a low-oxygen environment, though purchasing commercially produced biochar is often more practical for most gardeners. The key is ensuring the biochar has been properly processed to remove harmful compounds and create the porous structure that makes it so effective. When incorporating biochar into dead soil, think of it as creating luxury apartments for soil microorganisms. The incredibly porous structure provides countless tiny spaces where beneficial bacteria and fungi can establish communities, protected from environmental stresses. These microbial communities then work to break down organic matter, cycle nutrients, and create the complex soil ecosystem that supports healthy plant growth. The longevity of biochar is perhaps its most remarkable feature. While other soil amendments break down and need regular replacement, biochar can remain active in soil for hundreds or even thousands of years. This makes it an investment in long-term soil health that continues paying dividends season after season. The liquid compost tea revolution: instant soil biology. Compost tea represents the fastest way to introduce massive populations of beneficial microorganisms into dead soil, creating an instant biological jumpstart that can begin showing results within days. This liquid gold contains billions of bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and other microorganisms that immediately begin working to restore soil health. Making effective compost tea requires quality compost as your starting material, preferably compost that's rich in diverse organic materials and has been properly aged. Fill a 5-gallon bucket with dechlorinated water, add about 2 cups of high-quality compost in a mesh bag, and include a tablespoon of unsulfured molasses to feed the microorganisms during the brewing process. The brewing process itself is crucial for creating truly effective compost tea. Use an aquarium pump and air stone to continuously bubble air through the mixture for 24 to 48 hours. This oxygenation allows beneficial aerobic microorganisms to multiply exponentially while preventing the growth of harmful anaerobic bacteria that could damage plants. Application timing is critical for maximum effectiveness. Use your compost tea within 4 hours of completing the brewing process, when microbial populations are at their peak. Apply it directly to the soil around plants, ensuring thorough coverage of the root zone. The microorganisms will immediately begin colonizing the dead soil, breaking down organic matter, and creating the biological activity necessary for healthy plant growth. The beauty of compost tea lies in its immediate and long-lasting effects. Plants often show visible improvement within a week of application, with enhanced color, increased growth, and improved overall vigor. Regular applications every 2 to 3 weeks during the growing season can completely transform dead soil into a thriving ecosystem. Your journey to soil transformation starts now. These 5 ingenious hacks represent proven methods for bringing dead soil back to life, each offering unique benefits that work synergistically when combined. The key to success lies in understanding that soil restoration is a process, not an instant fix, but the rewards of patience and consistent application are immeasurable. Remember that healthy soil is the foundation of every successful garden, and investing time and effort in soil restoration will pay dividends for years to come. Start with the methods that appeal most to you and fit your available resources. Then gradually incorporate additional techniques as you see results. If you found these soil restoration techniques helpful, make sure to subscribe to Hydrohaven for more innovative gardening solutions, and share this guide with fellow gardeners who might be struggling with their own soil challenges. Together, we can transform gardens one handful of soil at a time, creating thriving ecosystems that support abundant, healthy plant growth for seasons to come.